Have you ever wondered what your life would look like if your net worth kept growing? Not just your bank account, but your daily routine, your confidence, your relationships, and the way people treat you. Money doesn't just buy things. It changes the choices you can make. It changes the places you can go. And sometimes it changes the person you become. Today we're taking a journey through 6 different stages of wealth. From having absolutely nothing to building a fortune worth $10 million. Let's begin at $0. Life feels heavy. You wake up in a tiny apartment where every corner reminds you of the bills waiting to be paid. The alarm rings early, but you're already awake. Stress doesn't let you sleep for long. The first thing you do is check your bank account. The number barely changes. You calculate every expense before leaving home. Can you afford breakfast? Should you skip lunch today? Will there be enough money left before payday? Simple decisions suddenly become difficult. You take the bus to work. You scroll through social media and watch other people traveling, buying new cars and living the life you dream about. You wonder if you'll ever get there. At work you exchange your time for money. Every hour matters. Every paycheck disappears almost as soon as it arrives. Rent, food, utilities, transportation. There is almost nothing left to save. Still, you refuse to give up. One evening, instead of wasting time scrolling endlessly through your phone, you decide to learn about money. You read books, watch financial videos, study successful people. Slowly, your mindset begins to change. You realize that wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through small decisions repeated every single day. So you make a promise to yourself. No matter how little you earn, you'll save something every month. Even if it's only a few dollars. Months pass. You avoid unnecessary spending. You cook more meals at home. You cancel subscriptions you rarely use. You stop trying to impress people who don't care about your future. Little by little, your savings begin to grow. The first milestone arrives. $10,000. It isn't enough to retire. It isn't enough to buy a luxury car. But it's enough to breathe. For the first time in years, you don't panic every time an unexpected bill arrives. Your emergency fund protects you from small disasters. Your confidence quietly grows. Now you start investing. Every month, part of your income goes into assets instead of liabilities. You begin thinking differently. You stop asking, how much does this cost? Instead you ask, will this make me richer in the future? That single question changes everything. Years continue to pass. Your investments grow. Your income increases. You develop valuable skills. Opportunities begin finding you. One morning, you open your investment account. Your net worth has crossed $100,000. For the first time, you actually feel secure. Crossing $100,000 doesn't make you feel rich, but it changes the way you see the world. For the first time, you stop worrying about surviving. Instead, you begin thinking about building. Your apartment is no longer just a place to sleep. It becomes a place where you can relax, learn, and plan your future. You replace your old, unreliable car with one that gets you where you need to go without constant repairs. You no longer feel guilty every time you buy something you truly need. The biggest change isn't outside, it's inside your mind. You begin to understand that money is a tool, not a trophy. Instead of spending weekends shopping, you spend them reading, learning, exercising, and improving yourself. Your habits become your greatest investment. As your skills grow, so does your income. Promotions come. New business opportunities appear. Investments that once seemed small now begin to compound. One ordinary morning, you check your financial dashboard. $500,000. You stare at the screen in silence. Not because of the number, but because you remember the days when your account could barely cover next week's groceries. Life at $500,000 feels different. You no longer chase expensive things just to impress strangers. You chase freedom. You value time more than money. You realize that every unnecessary purchase steals time from your future. Instead of buying the newest luxury watch, you invest in assets that continue generating income. Instead of working harder, you begin making your money work harder. Your investments now grow while you sleep. Dividends arrive. Rental income appears. Your portfolio continues expanding. The pressure that once controlled your life slowly disappears. For the first time, you take a vacation without checking your work emails every few minutes. You enjoy quiet mornings, long walks, dinner with family. You finally understand that wealth isn't about showing off. It's about having options. Years continue to pass. The market rises. Sometimes it falls. But you stay disciplined because you've learned that consistency always beats excitement. Then one day, it happens. Your net worth reaches $1 million. You don't scream. You don't throw a party. You simply sit there, looking at the screen, thinking about every sacrifice that brought you here. The late nights, the missed vacations, the disciplined investments, the moments when nobody believed in you. Everything suddenly feels worth it. Financial freedom doesn't feel like luxury. It feels like peace. You wake up because you want to, not because an alarm forces you to. You choose projects that excite you. You spend more time with the people you love. You stop trading every hour of your life for money, because your investments now create income on their own. But success also teaches unexpected lessons. Some people celebrate your achievements. Others quietly disappear. You learn that real friendships were never about money, and you become more careful about who you trust. As the years go by, your businesses continue growing. Your investments multiply. Your wealth reaches $10 million. Surprisingly, almost nothing about your daily routine changes. You still wake up early. You still exercise. You still read. You still invest. The expensive cars, the beautiful houses, the luxury vacations, they're enjoyable, but they aren't what make you feel successful, because by now, you've discovered the greatest luxury of all, time, the freedom to decide how every single day of your life will be spent. You no longer measure success by the size of your bank account. You measure it by the number of choices you have, by the memories you create, by the people you help, and by the legacy you leave behind. At the beginning of this journey, you believed becoming rich would change your life. Now you understand the truth. Money didn't change your life. The habits you built, the discipline you practiced, and the person you became along the way changed everything. Because wealth isn't created the day you become a millionaire. It's created every single day you choose your future over your comfort. And that is how your life changes at every net worth.